Hello everyone, welcome to Oak Business Consultant. Today we are going to discuss Brewery Excel Financial Model Projection Template. Here you can see the table of contents. We have assumption sheet, revenue analysis, inventory schedule, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, supporting details, and a dashboard. Here's a little guide on how to use the cells. Peach colored cells are input cells, gray colored cells are formula result, light gray font are helping cells. Moving towards our first sheet, which is assumption sheet, here you can see company start date, investment table, loan table, then we have production assumption table, other assumptions, tax rate, then we have price and cost, then we have price yearly growth, then we have cost yearly growth, then over we have our operating expenses table, then we have our employees payroll, departments are also mentioned here, then we have our capital expenditure table, and then we have our account receivable days and account payable days. Next up, we have our revenue analysis, which is calculated on monthly basis and yearly basis as well. Here you can see the total revenue, the cost of goods sold, the total maintenance cost, total product cost, total cost of goods sold. Next up, we have our inventory schedule. Here you can see opening inventory, sold inventory, ending inventory, and then ending inventory in value. The total ending inventory in value is also mentioned. Next up, we have our startup summary. Here you can see the total funding versus total expenses. We have calculated the total cost, total variable and total fixed costs, utilization of funds. Next up, we have our financial statements. Here you can see the statement of profit and loss. It is calculated on yearly basis for 5-year projection and monthly basis. Then we have our cash flow statement. Then we have our statement of financial position. You can see the total assets, total liabilities, and equity. Moving towards the financial analysis sheet, we have a break-even analysis over here, company valuation. You can see the weighted average cost of capital over here. Then we have a free cash flow company valuation. Then we have the net present value of the company and internal rate of return of the company. Then we have ROI analysis, burn rate analysis, minimum investment that is required. Then over here we did the sensitivity analysis, which is calculated on 3 different scenarios. One is actual, the second one is pessimistic, and the third one is optimistic. Then moving forward, we have our key performance indicator and ratio. Here you can see profitability ratios, liquidity ratios, solvency ratios, and efficiency ratios. Last but not the least, here you can see the dashboard. We have our gross profit margin, net profit margin, revenue growth, net present value, internal rate of return, and expected equity percentage. Here you can see all the necessary tables to get a better idea of the numbers and better understanding. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.